Hey friends, don't you just love the fair? The games, people, and of course, the oh so delicious food. So, what's your favorite food? The corn dog or the hot dog? Maybe the pretzels? Well, my favorite food is the cotton candy. I just love it. It's so soft and wispy. It's like putting a cloud in your mouth. Well, do you know that cotton candy was actually invented by a dentist? That's right. Come, let me tell you how this dentist came up with this wonderful candy. Zoom in. I'm sure you have seen the cotton candy makers use a machine to whip up that delicious stringy candy. But do you know how it makes sugar into the strings that we eat? What this machine does is heat the sugar mixture up to its boiling point, making it a liquid. While doing this, it also spins really fast at a speed of around 3,500 rotations per minute. As the sugar gets liquefied, because of the spinning, it shoots out of the center through tiny holes. On coming in contact with the air, it instantly solidifies and forms a very thin strand of sugar thread. These strands are then collected on a stick and served to the eager young children surrounding it. Now that you know how it works, you can even make some at home. But early in the 18th century, the task of whipping the sugar syrup into strands was a manual task. Only the rich could afford it, and even then, it was very time-consuming and took a lot of effort. So, it wasn't a very widespread treat until the hero of our story invented a machine to do this work. Now, let's talk about the dentist who gave us this wonderful invention. That's right, a dentist made this candy, so you know that it can't be bad for you. William James Morrison was born in 1860 in Nashville, Tennessee. He graduated from the University of Tennessee Dental College in 1890 as a dentist. Morrison was a man with a sweet tooth. He loved all kinds of candy. He loved candy so much that he even had a friend who was a confectioner named John C. Wharton. In 1897, Morrison and Wharton came up with the idea of creating a sugary sweet which would be soft and fluffy. They decided to promote this invention of theirs at the famous St. Louis Fair in 1904. This was a 7-month-long fair where over the years, all kinds of inventions from all over the world were showcased. This was a huge deal as getting a pavilion here was not easy, and the fair had so many attractions that the competition was tough. But the air like candy was a hit nonetheless. Morrison and Wharton sold their candy by the name of Fairy Floss in small wooden boxes. It was priced at 25 cents, which at that time was half the price of the fair ticket itself. But even this didn't stop the Fairy Floss from shining. And the two friends sold over 68,000 boxes. But although Fairy Floss was a huge hit, the machine they used at the time was quite unreliable. They would shake and rattle and often break down. This is where Gold Medal Products came in, a company that dealt in food-related products in Cincinnati, Ohio. This was the company that took charge to improve the design of the machine and make it more reliable. They did this by adding a spring to the bottom of the mechanism, and it worked so well that the design of the machine hasn't changed much ever since, except that now they have a lot more flavors. And you know what else hasn't changed since the beginning? Our very own trivia time! Cotton candy has only one ingredient, sugar. The rest is just plain air. America celebrates its National Cotton Candy Day on 7th November every year. Well, friends, wasn't that a sweet story? Now, if anyone ever tells you that you eat a lot of cotton candy, you can tell them that there's a dentist to blame for it. Well, hope you enjoyed this fun and tasty invention. Tune in next time for more fun facts. This is me zooming out. Hey kids, you liked my videos, didn't you? Before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss out on my latest videos. See you.